Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm featuring a Valentine heart shaker. I have all my elements here that I'm going to need to build this Valentine gift. So I have here my back layer of my heart, and it has perforated lines where you can open it easily from the back of the heart. This is our top layer. And this is our dome shaker. I already have it filled with my foam beads and my Hershey Kisses. So I mixed a mixture of these foam beads into the dome. So we're almost ready to apply it to our heart. So what I'm going to do now is take the dome. I'm going to take my paper heart and I'm going to just sit it over the dome, and I'm doing that so that I can adhere it with glue to the heart in the area where the perforated lines are. That's going to allow me to take my glue gun, and I'm going to go around the base of the dome with my hot glue, so that we can get our dome securely set to this heart. We don't want our contents falling out. Okay, so we're going to wait a minute and let that glue harden. And then we'll start our next step. Put a little bit more here. And just check all around the perimeter just to make sure that you have a good amount of glue to hold it in place. Now, before the glue dries, I am going to go ahead and set the heart, and it's made to be off-centered. Okay, so it's going to look three-dimensional because we're going to have the outer edge of the heart, the back layer is going to be partly exposed. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of glue to make sure I have a good seal on the top heart. Okay, so we have our top heart adhered. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to try and conceal a little bit of the glue around the base of the dome. I am going to add some of these crystals. Okay. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, go up to the top. Just have a little bit more to fill in here. Okay. So now the glue should be set, and I am going to check and make sure we have a good seal on everything. Okay, so everything turned out beautiful, guys. Turned out really nice. And then all they need to do is just grab the little tab in the back and rip it open in the back to get to the Hershey Kisses on the inside. Okay, that one came out really pretty. So now we have one more here. I'm making two. So we're going to go through the same method we did for the purple one. And I'm just going to leave it up here where you can still see it. And we're going to meet the back of the paper with the contents of the dome. Okay. And I'm going to use this color to go around my dome. This matches the cardstock color much better for this one. Oops. Okay, guys, so we have the crystal trim around the dome. I'm just still rubbing off some of this glue. Okay, so now we have both these pretty heart shakers. Came out really pretty. Okay, let's get some of these mixed up in here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put these little love you little note card on there. Okay. Have that right at the top. So you get to put a little wording with your candy and your pretty heart design. Okay, guys, and I will have a link to this template, and you will be able to use it. It's really easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.